Barclays Online Banking. How to make a payment. It's easy to make a payment with online banking. Firstly, make sure you have a PIN Sentry device to hand. If you don't have a physical PIN Sentry and are registered for the Barclays app, you can use mobile PIN Sentry to authenticate your payments. On the home page, click on Pay next to the account you want to pay from. You also have the option to change account if you want to pay a different account. Next, click Pay Someone New. Tell us who you are paying, a person or a business. If you're paying a company, click Search Our Verified Companies. Start to type to search for a business. As you type, you'll see businesses you can select from. Select the company or business you wish to pay. If you're paying a person, add the account holder's name here, their sort code and their account number. If the person or business you're paying requires a unique reference, we'll also ask you to enter it here. You can search Confirmation of Payee on the Barclays website for more information. Next, enter the amount of the payment you'd like to make. Then tell us if you'd like to make the payment now or at a later date. If you haven't already entered one, add a payment reference that you'll both see on your statements. Choose the reason you are making this payment. Make sure you've read the information about fraud and scams and taken steps to protect yourself. Tap to confirm you're happy to proceed with the payment, then click Pay. You'll now need a PIN Sentry device. Make sure you have the correct card that ends with the 4 digits that you will find displayed here on your page. Insert it into a PIN Sentry device and press Respond. Then type your card PIN and press Enter. Enter the 8-digit challenge number displayed on your computer screen here into your PIN Sentry device and press Enter. You'll then receive an 8-digit code on your PIN Sentry device. Type in your 8-digit code, then click Confirm. If you wish, you can click Download or Print as a record of your payment. And there you go.